In this session, we're still going to continue with our stock price import option. Now, if you click on Load Import File, these two options, you can generate an example file. I'll just call it here example file and save it. If you open that file, let me open it first of all just in Excel. Here you will see we have columns and then information in that column, making sure that when you add your own stock items, you use this format. So export the file for yourself and use this file to fill in your information. I have already created a file and I'm going to import that file for you. So I'm going to click on Load and I'm going to click on Import. I'm going to go to my file that I've created and I'm going to open it. Now here you will see that if you have any problems, it will show up in a color, and the color will indicate what your problem is. Here it tells me it's actually a barcode problem, but this item here is a duplicate item if you look at it. So I can go back to my file and correct that item, or in my case, I'm going to delete the item. If you had any other problems, make sure you go back to your file first before you import this. Now just to show you, if I close my stock price import option, then I'll lose what I've got there. But just to show you, if I go to stock maintenance, I don't have this product on my stock list yet. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to import those items. So I'm going to import my file again, go to my specific file, delete that last line, and then process. A screen comes up saying that my import is completed. Items that did not import successfully will remain on the screen. So I can click on OK. I have nothing remaining there, which means all my items were imported into stock maintenance successfully. If I close here and I take you to stock maintenance now, there you'll see those are my casual t-shirt items that I imported. If I go back to stock price update, if we look at what we've got here, I'm just going to click on import again, click on my file. You see you can manipulate the data with a filter. You have report options where a report will just show you if there's any errors. In other words, this is your report statements that you can print, so that if you go to your file, you can make sure that everything is correct and you fix everything. I've spoken about delete and I've shown you how to process. And that concludes looking at the stock price import option.